Let's see how to move iPad photos to external hard drive. In the first step, open Settings. After that, select General. After that, tap on About. In the next step, open Settings. Later, choose Privacy and Security. Next, click on Photos. Now, enable access to the external storage. In the next step, attach the external drive with a proper adapter. Then wait until the drive is visible in the Files application. In the next step, launch the Photos application. Now choose the images for transfer. Now press the Share button. In the next step, tap on Save to Files. Now pick the external hard drive. Now hit Save. You are good to go.